Welcome friends. Welcome friends. Today in this lesson we will learn how you can make your own website. Yes, so by this end of lesson you will be having your own website with your own domain name and hosting. So be with me, okay? So without wasting a single moment, let us start. So what you need to do, you need to click on the below link. You will be redirected to the HostGator page. Okay? So this you think you need to do. So I will also so you will be redirected to this page. Okay, so what you need to do right now, so this is HostGator. Okay, so their technical support is also very good, that is 24 into 7 technical support. So yes, it's very good. And so what you need to do, if you face any difficulty while proceeding to this purchase or anytime afterwards also, then you can contact them. Okay, they are eager to help you. Okay, so they are giving 45-day money back guarantee. So click on shared hosting, go to get started. Choose American server only, go to starter plan and choose 1 month. Okay, then click on buy now. Do you already have a domain? No. Okay, so do this, remove this, you know. Okay, so now you have to choose a domain. So it's totally depends on your interest. So for example, if you are interested in tech related products, then choose mohantech.com, mohantech.in. If you want to create your own brand, then you can choose on your own name also. Okay, so it's totally depends on you. So I will choose adarshblog.com. I'll go with .in extension. So you need also have to go with .in extension, because we are in living in India, it would be good. Or you can also go with .com also. It totally depends on you. So now go downwards and click on continue. Yes, so this is available. If it is not available, then choose another one. Okay. So then click on add to cart. Then here click on checkout. Yes. So this is your domain name, means your address, and this is your hosting. Okay. So what you need to do right now, for 1 month, it will be charging 1121. Okay. So, but if you go with this offer, then it will cost you. So guys, I prefer you to go with this 3 months, because now it is charging 1060. And if you go with this 3 months offer, then it will charge you 1400 approx. It means just by spending 300 rupees you are getting 2 months free. So I recommended you, it's good for your future also. So better to go with 6 or 3 months. So I am going with 3 months. Okay, totally it's up to you. Click on continue. Okay, so you have to create a new account here. So create your new account here. I am already having account, so I will go for login. So yes, I will wait for a minute. Okay, so you need to create your own account. Okay, now you need to agree to new customer agreement. Then now you can pay from any PayU, CC Avenue, Paytm. It's totally up to you. Okay, so I'll pay with debit card. So I will go here and I will click on pay now. So I'm pausing it and we will back. I will pay it. Okay, so now you will be redirected to the home page and it will be written that your payment was successful. Okay, so now what you have to do, so if you face any difficulty while purchasing it, then go to supports or sales. Okay, clear. Or you can raise chat with them. Okay, so here you can raise chat with them, they are eager to help you. Okay, so now what you have to do, click on my account. So this is your account, you should do the same thing. Okay, Okay, so this is your account. Go to manage orders and click to list search orders. Yes. So this is how you need to do. So this is your domain. So I purchased for adarshblog.com. So this is my domain and this is my hosting. So what you need to do, click on the hosting one. Okay, don't click on domain one, click on hosting one. Okay, so now go to cPanel details. cPanel is the most important part for your website. Okay, don't do anything till I say to you. Okay, so this is your username and this is your password. So write somewhere this username and password. And first you need to change your password. So I will also change my password. So I will pause it and I will change the password. Okay. So now I have successfully changed my password. So now I have to click on this page. Okay, so it will take little bit of time, don't worry. So cPanel is most important. Just we need to log in here with the cPanel account. Okay, so this is my username and I will write my password. Click on login. So this is how you need to do. So this is your cPanel account. Congratulations, you are having your domain and hosting. So now what you need to do? Go to WordPress Manager by Soft. Okay, so click on this. WordPress is very important part of any hosting provider. If they are not giving you WordPress, then please don't buy from them. Okay, so click on install, click on custom install. Don't do anything here. Okay, if you want to change the password here, then you can change it easily. So I will also change. I will hide it and I will change it. Okay, so now click on write your email ID here first and click on install. So your all details will be given to your email ID. Okay, so now click on install. So now your installation will be completed and your site will be ready within 1 hour or half hour. It will be completed. So yes, you are ready with your website and domain and you have successfully installed your WordPress. So now we will meet in the next lesson and we'll talk about how to design your website and what is the next process after purchasing your hosting and domain. Okay, so this is right time. So I am giving you a bonus for you because you are successfully installed WordPress. It means you are very, very, very eager to read digital marketing. Yes, so I'm giving you the bonus. So if you have purchased hosting and domain, then you need to mail us on padarshbhat2011@gmail.com to our support team. Okay, so what you need to write? You need to write in heading, I have purchased hosting and domain, and you need to give your receipt ID. Yes, so HostGator have already mailed receipt ID to your mail. So you need to write your receipt ID and send us. So we will send you on via our team personal WhatsApp number. Yes. So if you have any doubt why proceeding to this course, then you can directly ask on this number. Yes. And we will try to immediately reply you within 1 hour or maximum 2 hours, not more than that. Be clear. Okay. So best of luck right now and congratulations for your website and domain. Best of luck.